Hello everyone, this is exercise 2, sheet 4 now for lines and line weight. And we're going to be doing this exercise in the description, the handout. It's going to be these series of boxes and X's inside the boxes. We're going to ultimately create 7 horizontal lines and 7 vertical lines, X's within the boxes. We're not going to be measuring anything here. The only thing we're measuring is the border, right? Again, border nice and straight. Crisp lines for the border, tape it down, make sure it's smooth. Take these away, and we're going to create an X like we did in the last on sheet 3. However you want to create that X, it's going to be light across the sheet here from the top right to the bottom left, a light guideline there. You can see it's light. And do the same thing here. Light. Okay, so we have the light X here. And now what we want to create is a vertical. The X's in the boxes are going to be light, but all our 7 lines, horizontal and vertical, are going to be a medium type of line weight. So I want to create a vertical line weight here, right through the X. Spinning that pencil, medium line weight, take that away. Then we're going to do the horizontal, right where they all converge there. Just want to make sure I'm in the middle there. Going across, spinning that pencil, medium line weight. If you have to sharpen that pencil, go ahead. And so now we have these quadrants, right? And we have this X that's light. So now we're going to break up these quadrants. Then we're going to break them up again. So let's start here. I'm going to do this quadrant. Again, I'll finish the whole sheet to show you what it looks like completed. But I'm going to finish this quadrant, or work on this quadrant, I should say. So now that I have the X here, I'm going to complete this portion of the assignment exercise by doing another X here from corner to corner, making sure that, again, that is light. That's a light line weight. You definitely want to hold this triangle down. If not, it'll slip on you, right? So here's my X here, a box, and now I'm going to create another vertical and a horizontal here. And that line weight is going to be the same as this line weight and the vertical one. Let's do that. Hold this down. You make sure you want to spin that pencil. Now again, I probably could have gone all the way down, right? Because these lines are going to be, or these boxes and these light lines inside, it's going to look like a homogeneous sheet with these boxes and these light lines. But I just want to show you this upper right quadrant first, and then you can continue doing the whole sheet. I'm going to do a vertical. I did the vertical. I'm going to do a horizontal. All right, I would be continuing this line all the way across, but just working on this upper quadrant here. All right. Okay, now, furthermore, I have to now break this box down. I'm going to break them all down, right? So right now I'm going to sharpen my pencil because it needs it. So now I'm going to draw all the X's, remember, are light. Let's do this one as well, all the X's in these boxes. All right, and let's just flip while we're at it here in this quadrant. Let's do this light guideline here. And then let's do this one. All right. Now, furthermore, right, we're going to create verticals here. All right, and verticals here. Want to make sure. Going through the center, right? Now let's create horizontals here. Spinning that pencil. Remember, all the verticals and horizontals are medium line weight. Blow off that lead there a little bit. Do the same thing down here. Now, to further finish this, I want to now create these X's, right, that are in here, and that's sort of the last step of the quadrant, right? This quadrant, I still have to do all the other ones. I'll complete that, right? I can do all of these. In theory, this one line can go all the way across, actually, right? In theory, that can go all the way across. This line, if you want to work individually in the boxes, you can, but in theory, if your lines are straight, this line should go all the way across, right? And intersect with all of them. Same going this way, right? The light boxes, if you want, the light lines inside the box, you can do individually, or if the boxes are drawn precisely, you can create the light lines inside the box by going all the way through. All right, so light line, and then this one's on its own. This little guy, like that. So when you mirror this, right, you'll have 7 vertical lines. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you mirror this or create it, you'll have 7 horizontal lines. So I just wanted to do the upper quadrant here for you. Nope, I didn't finish that one, right? So there are my boxes in this top right quadrant. Of course, when you complete this, there'll be a mirrored set, right? And then this will be a mirrored set. So these lines will continue down, right? And then these lines will continue over. And you'll have a bunch of rectangles with these light X's. All of the 7 vertical lines are a medium line, like I have here. And then all the horizontals, I'm sorry, are same line type. The only thing that's light, the big X and all the small X's. And remember, it's about control, sharpening your pencil, keeping it sharp, and rotating your pencil. And you get nice crisp lines. And I will complete this and put it in, I have a folder on Brightspace called Completed Drawings by Professor. All right, so this is sheet 4.